Hi guys, so this is the video presentation of the midterm project. So this is an application with the use of Python programming language and an open source library framework Kivy. So we have two files here, the main.py and the kb file. So in the main.py we have here from kb.app import app up to the import box layout. So these are the built-in functions of Kivy. So it has an important role in this application. Then class screen pop. All of these class are the screen of the application itself. So it is quite long. So I don't need to show it to you one by one. So here, class manager, screen manager, as I've said before, screen manager is the built-in function of Kivy. So screen main is equals to object property none is declared that the screen underscore main has a do not have any object property. So screen underscore main, screen underscore choices. So it is long also. Then app, this is also a built-in function of KB. Then we have here the manager, which has the transition, slide transition. So you will see that later on the application itself. Then window.clear color, this is the background color of the application. So let's proceed with the KB file. So in the KB file, I use this KB file because it has a shorter codes, or you can understand very well these codes than using only a py file. So you can directly code here and you don't need to have a long way to declare such variables. So this custom pop up to this part is responsible for the pop-up button for the codes. While on this one, the screen main, from this one up to this point, these are the, or this is the screen or the page. So this whole is one page already. So this one from there up to this point, this is already a one page also. So let's proceed to the application itself because I want to show you something. So let's proceed this one. So I already ran it a while ago because this is very long when we're going to wait for it. So learn calculus application. So when we press the button about, you can see the about the application. This application is about the branch of calculus including precal, basical, differential, and integral. So these references are the books that is being used in this application. So let's proceed with start. So we have here fundamentals, precal, basical, differential, and integral. Then we have here the code and back. When I press the back, it will going back to the starting point or the main screen. So when I press the code, your limits are somewhere up there waiting for you to reach beyond infinity. So this is life is like calculus, you just need to limit your spirits to infinity. Like I said before, this is the button for the pop-up. So let's proceed with the discussion. So we have here Perkel, for example. Let's proceed with the analytic geometry. So these are the examples of the content of the application. There you go. Proving trigonometric identities. Next, next, back. Then we have here the exercises. So this is the exercises for pre-calculus. So there you have it. This is the code. Yan. So this is the learn calculus application.